In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Mini Nintendo to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For the Mini or Classic Nintendo systems, they make the NES, which is the Nintendo Entertainment System, and the SNES, which is the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Regardless of which one you have, the process is going to be the same. So using both of these devices can be done by following the instructions that I give you in this video. At the front, you will have the ports for the controllers, so you don't need to worry about them now if you are still setting up the console itself. At the back, you will have two ports, HDMI and DC-in. DC-in is going to be used for power, so this will go into any standard power outlet. There will be a power brick or an AC adapter, and you will plug this into your wall, allowing the console to receive power and power on. Once this port has been filled with the power brick or AC adapter, the next port is going to be for a USB cable. This is any standard HDMI cable. I apologize. So all that you have to do is grab any standard HDMI cable, plug one end into the console, and the other one goes into any HDMI port on your smart TV. So if you look at the back, there should be a clear port labeled HDMI in, and all that you have to do is plug it into HDMI in. If your TV has HDMI out, make sure that you don't use that one because we are going to be getting the out from the Nintendo console. Once this connection has been established like this, you can power on the console, so press the power button, make sure that you have a controller connected, and you are good to go. As long as it is receiving power and connected to a TV, once you choose the appropriate source, which should be HDMI, the Nintendo Classic Mini will appear on the screen. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.